So as you can see, I have an example table with salesperson's average earnings for years 2011 to 2023. And I have already calculated total earnings. Now we need to calculate the percentage based on these total earnings. To do this, firstly write equals sign in D7 cell and then select the first cell in earnings column. Then add divide sign and select a cell where our total earnings located. Now add dollar signs like this because this is a relative cell position and we want to apply this rule to this whole column. If you don't add this dollar signs, it won't work. Then select this first cell and click on the lower right corner of this cell and pull down to 2023 year. As you can see, this percentage column is now filled. But this is not everything. We will convert these numbers to percentage. To do so, select Total column, go to Home tab and click on Percent Style. And this is everything. As you can see, year 2023 was the best year in terms of average earnings with 22%.